Imagine waking up one morning and seeing that your latest YouTube video earned money while you were sleeping. Sounds amazing, right? Just a few years ago, becoming a successful creator seemed difficult. You needed expensive equipment, editing skills, and sometimes even a full team. But today, everything is changing. Artificial intelligence, automation, and new YouTube tools are creating opportunities that never existed before. In this video, we'll explore the future of YouTube, how creators can benefit from it, and why the next few years may be the best time ever to start a YouTube channel. Let's begin. Many people think YouTube is already saturated, but the reality is completely different. Every day, millions of people search YouTube to learn new skills, solve problems, find entertainment, and discover opportunities. New viewers join the platform constantly. New topics appear every year, and new creators continue to grow from 0 subscribers. The demand for content is increasing faster than ever. This means opportunities are still everywhere. In the future, creating YouTube videos will become easier. AI can help with script writing, video editing, thumbnail creation, voiceovers, translations, research. A creator who once needed days to make a video can now create content much faster. This allows creators to focus more on ideas and creativity. The future creator will work smarter, not harder. One of the biggest trends is faceless content. Many successful channels never show a face. Instead, they use animations, graphics, AI, visuals, stock footage, screen recordings. This means anyone can start regardless of confidence, location, or camera skills. The future belongs to creators who provide value, not necessarily those who appear on camera. Most people think YouTube only pays through ads, but future creators will have many income streams. These include YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products, online courses, memberships, consulting services, brand deals. The smartest creators will build multiple income sources instead of relying on one. People want information. They want solutions. They want answers. Channels that teach useful skills will continue growing. Examples include AI tutorials, business tips, technology, news, finance, education, career advice, online earning methods. Educational content often has longer watch times and stronger audiences. YouTube allows creators to reach the entire world. A video uploaded today can be watched tomorrow in dozens of countries. Translation tools and AI dubbing are making global audiences easier to reach. Future creators won't just build local audiences, they'll build international communities. The creators who succeed in the future will focus on consistency, quality learning, new skills, understanding their audience, following trends. Providing real value. Success won't come from shortcuts. It will come from solving problems and helping viewers. Many people wait for the perfect moment, but the perfect moment rarely comes. Every successful YouTuber started with 0 subscribers, 0 views, and 0 experience. The best way to learn YouTube is by creating videos. Every upload teaches something new. The earlier you start, the more experience you gain. The future of YouTube is incredibly exciting. New technology, AI tools, and global audiences are creating opportunities for everyone. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, freelancer, or complete beginner, YouTube can become a powerful platform for learning, growing, and earning. The question is no longer whether YouTube has opportunities. The real question is, will you take advantage of them? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more videos about AI, technology, online business, and the future. See you in the next video.